This is a video on oil change. I found the maintenance manual on the engine for this guy, and I kept checking the oil level, and it looked pretty clean. And reading the manual, I've got 96 hours on it now, but it says every 20 hours you should be changing the oil for the first month, and then every 3 months or 50 hours operation thereafter. So I haven't done that. It looked clean, but should have read this. Anyway, you guys don't make the same mistake, but I'll show you the oil. It looks pretty nasty. That doesn't look very good, does it? Don't do what I'm doing, or do it more often, and don't just go by what the dipstick shows. So there's the plug at the bottom of the engine. I just put a bucket, and then this yogurt container, 850 grams, and I'm just going to use 1030, which is sort of general use, and I have some 1030 Pennzoil, which I'm going to use. And yeah, and it talks about doing your spark plugs and all that. I'll show you the schedule here. So I don't know if you can see that. So I check the air filter, I clean that regularly. Haven't checked the spark plug yet. So there's a bunch of major maintenance I really need to do. The one thing that was interesting though is, look at this. Can you see it? That you should, the cylinder head piston, carbon cleanup, they want you every 125 hours to take the cylinder head off. And that seems kind of unusual, but yeah, not sure I'll do that or not. Just if it's running well, I'll just keep going. I guess maybe if I'm bored, I'll tackle that. Anyway, just wanted to show a quick video on that. Oh, and also a place to, that's where you add the oil, that orange plug, and this is the dipstick, is that side. So just so you know, I did check that regularly. And anyway, keep up your maintenance. As always, thanks for watching. I'll keep you up to date how this guy is hanging in there. I get a few comments about, is all the issues I've had, do you still think it's worth it? Absolutely. This thing has paid for itself already for the amount of hours that I got on it. If I was to hire someone, it would I would have surpassed that in what I paid for it, 6,500 Canadian. And I hope it's going to work well for the winter for removing snow. I got a huge driveway, and it's massive, and I got this steep hill as well. So that's one of the main reasons I got the skid steer for, is to clean that driveway. That's too hard to shovel. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.